Pretty cool, literally. I've been in the airport. I used to do deliveries. I dropped off it in the lounge in there. It's pretty cool in there. Must be nice. Must be nice to have a corporate jet, or access to one at least. Another jet flyover. Northbound jet. We should have some landings and takeoffs soon. Usually between 6 and 7 on Sunday nights. It's busy here. Stick around. I'll give you a tour of the airport in the meantime. All right. It's Jersey City straight ahead at the end of the runway in the distance. Here's the Freedom Tower in the middle. Airport Tower. Midtown Manhattan. Upper Manhattan. Landing coming in, guys. Oh, cool jet.